Hey friends, welcome back to Explogz. Today's recipe is Reshmi Kabab. Come, let's see how it can be made. Soak half a cup of almonds overnight and peel them. Secondly, soak half a cup of cashew and grind it to a fine paste. To a large bowl, add 1 kg of chicken. Here I have used boneless skinless chicken cubes. You can also use normal chicken. Add 2 teaspoons of freshly grinded ginger and garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, quarter teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of salt, juice of a lime, So this will be our first marinade. Mix everything well and rest it aside for approximately half an hour. So this had been marinating for approximately half an hour. Now we'll move on to the second marination. So first I'm adding hung curd. Here I'm using approximately half a cup of hung curd. Secondly, I'm adding the almond and cashew paste. Thirdly, add half a cup of thick cream. Half a teaspoon of zeera powder. A handful of chopped coriander. So this is our second marination. Mix everything well and marinate for a minimum of 4 to 5 hours or better overnight. So this chicken mixture had been marinating for approximately 7 to 8 hours. So now I'm going to use water soaked skewers to grill them on a pan. You can also grill them in an oven. So here I'm using a thick bottomed heavy pan for shallow frying the marinated chicken. Add 3 to 4 teaspoons of olive oil for added flavor. If you are using this method, then fry on medium to low flame and cook on all sides. If you wish to make it in an oven, preheat and grill at 120 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes and broil for 10 minutes to get a charred effect. So our soft and silky Reshmi Kababs are ready. Double marination makes the chicken really juicy and soft. Serve this as a starter with spicy mint chutney. The details of the recipe are shared in the description box below. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up as well. Also let us know what other recipes you would want us to share. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.